Have you ever wondered how a crawling caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly? Today we're embarking on a remarkable journey to explore this marvelous transformation. We'll delve into the 4 distinct stages of a butterfly's life cycle, starting as a tiny egg, growing into a voracious caterpillar, transitioning into the dormant pupa, and finally emerging as a vibrant adult butterfly. This transformative journey, known as metamorphosis, is truly a natural wonder that displays the fascinating process of metamorphosis. The life cycle of a butterfly begins as a tiny egg attached to a leaf. This egg, almost invisible to the naked eye, is where the magic starts. Inside this minuscule package, a caterpillar, or as scientists call it, a larva, is waiting to hatch. Once out of the egg, the caterpillar embarks on its primary mission, to eat and grow. It devours the leaf it was born on, gaining energy and size at a remarkable pace. As this little eating machine grows, its skin becomes too tight, prompting the caterpillar to shed its old skin, a process known as molting. This isn't a one-time event, but rather a cycle that repeats several times as the caterpillar continues to grow. Each stage between molts is referred to as an instar, and by the time the caterpillar reaches its final instar, it's grown several thousand times its original size. After growing to its full size, the caterpillar prepares for the next stage, the chrysalis. At this point, the caterpillar forms a chrysalis, a protective casing for its transformation. This stage is remarkable, a testament to nature's magic. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes a process known as metamorphosis. It's not merely growing wings, it's a complete overhaul. The caterpillar's old body breaks down into a kind of cellular soup, from which the new butterfly body forms. Meanwhile, the chrysalis appears lifeless to the outside world, but beneath the surface, a miracle of nature is unfolding. After about 2 weeks, the transformation is complete. The butterfly begins to emerge, a process that can take several hours. It gingerly unfolds from the chrysalis, its wings wet and crumpled. Slowly it starts to pump fluid into its wings, causing them to expand and stiffen. Once its wings are dry, the butterfly is ready to take flight, to dance with the wind. Now the creature is no longer a caterpillar but a beautiful fully grown butterfly. As an adult butterfly, it has 2 primary goals: to eat and to reproduce. Butterflies are nectar feeders, using their long, tube-like tongues called proboscises to suck up this sweet liquid from flowers. This diet of nectar not only provides them with energy, but also aids in the pollination of plants as they move from flower to flower. When it comes to reproduction, butterflies have a fascinating mating process. Male butterflies will release pheromones to attract a mate. Once a pair has coupled, the female will lay her eggs, usually on the leaves of plants, starting the life cycle anew. But what happens when the temperature drops and the first snow falls? Butterflies have a few strategies to cope with cold weather. Some species, like the monarch, undertake long migrations to warmer climates. Others will go into a state of hibernation, finding a safe place to wait out the winter months. There are thousands of different types of butterflies, from the large, brightly colored morphos to the small, delicate, painted ladies. Each has its own unique characteristics, from wing patterns to feeding habits. Each butterfly, regardless of its type, plays a critical role in the ecosystem. Their feeding habits aid in pollination, supporting plant growth and diversity. Furthermore, they serve as an important food source for other animals, linking different parts of the food chain together. In short, the life of a butterfly is a delicate dance of survival and renewal, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of life on our planet. You might wonder, why are butterflies important? Well, let me tell you, they are more than just a pretty sight. Butterflies play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Firstly, they are pollinators. As they flutter from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they inadvertently carry pollen on their bodies, aiding in the process of pollination. This helps flowers to reproduce and create a colorful and vibrant landscape, while also supporting the growth of fruits, vegetables, and other plants that we and many animals rely on for food. Secondly, butterflies serve as a food source for various animals. Birds, bats, and even other insects depend on butterflies and their caterpillars for nourishment. Lastly, butterflies are indicators of a healthy environment. Their presence signals a well-balanced ecosystem, as they require clean water, fresh air, and an array of native plants to thrive. So, the next time you see a butterfly, remember, it's not just a pretty sight, it's a vital part of our world's ecosystem, and it has undergone an incredible journey to be here.